is John Young with the Disc Jockey News. I'm at the PV booth here at the DJ Expo, and I want to show you these, the PV, the letter P, the letter V series mixers. These are I got the PV10, where is it? Right there. We got the 10, we've got the 8, and we've got the 6 over there in the end. These are USB mixers, meaning that you can hook up a USB to this as a output. So if you wanted to record what you were doing, you can do that with these mixers. Let's take a look at the 10. Of course, you've got the 6 mic inputs, 7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can hook up your iPad, your iPhone, your whatever. If you've got a board that hooks up that way, great. You can have lots of microphones. If you're doing, live sound, if you're doing a ceremony where you need a lot of inputs, you got it here. And of course, you've got the nice sliders, the quality knobs and everything that you would expect from a PV at an incredible price. I don't know if you can see that, but this thing is like a $299 board. Of course, they got a show special on them if you're here. The next one is our 8. It's got the 4, it's got the 5, 6, 7, and the 8. It's got the same USB capabilities, same all the way. Nice looking board. And if you only need a little guy, you can get down here, you get into the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll still give you the mic ability for 4 mics or some 2 mics and a couple of line inputs. A lot of functionality with these. This is the PV family of mixers. Check these out. We'll put a link in the description below. This is John Young with the Disc Jockey News.